Hi all, welcome to the Vision Board community. So today I'm just introducing Aman. So he will give you some kind of introduction. Will assure data engineering how the interview process. Every success stories behind there is some struggle, like a sleepless nights are there, consistency, hard work and all. So when people whoever succeed in their life, if sharing the knowledge to them, like and at least the people who are struggling in the other side of the world, it will be like a kind of relief. So that's why I'm just inviting to Aman to give a kind of insight regarding the Azure data engineering and what are the process of the interview and how he prepared throughout the journey. Aman, welcome to the Vision Board community.
Yeah, hi Devi. I'm very much glad that I got an opportunity to interact with you and also got an opportunity to just explore my path and journey,
Yeah, it
which
is
can
like a
help.
very great opportunity for me also, Aman, to connecting with you. And like, and at least we can connect like this one. We can create a small podcast to our community members, like just helping from our side. So, Aman, if you can give us some brief introduction about yourself, and you can tell me how was the experience actually.
Okay, so Devi, actually, I'm just a BTech pass out from electronics and communication, and basically, I just joined my career as a data engineer. I'm just having my career on a SQL Server as a database engineer. And later after I got switched to my MNC company, and
Okay.
currently I'm just working in my organization since last 5 years. It was basically a oil and refinery construction company, and I'm working on it since last 5 years, and even I am not even very much aware what exactly a data engineering in this field, because it is totally a engineering company.
Ah,
So
okay.
like I'm working here there in this company. Even there were no guys who were just working on this field since last 5 years. I have not even seen any guys who is just my colleague who is working on this field. But I have found that I am struggling in this field since last 2 or 3 years. Like someone guide me that like Aman, go for a software line. So
Ah,
started working preparation on software lines on React and JavaScript. But
oh.
I work on it for 1 year. I put my whole efforts on it to go into this trade, but finally I got a bad luck, and I found that I'm not possible. It's not possible for me to go into it because
Mm,
I'm very much interested in data. I am very much interested to play with data.
okay.
So then someone guide me, like I'm just traveling somewhere in a train and I'm just watching a video, something like this. So I found some videos, motivated videos, and I go through those videos and I found that yes, there should be something in data.
Got it.
So yeah, there is I don't know in the name of a video who just have put that on a YouTube, and he just somewhere he just had mentioned that name of a book of fundamental of data engineering.
Mm,
I think it was a book by Josh Reed or Matt Hawley. So what I did was I started reading those books even in my spare times, like even in the spare times, mostly I spend my times with the family. But even after that, I started reading those books.
okay.
That book, yeah, and I found that it's very much interesting. And this was the turning point for me to move toward data engineering.
Okay, that is
Because
the spark point, right? You need to be moving to the data engineering side.
yeah, this was the turning point that a
Ah,
book, fundamental of data engineering, because it was a book in which I just read the topic and found that yes, there is something in this.
mm,
Yeah, then eventually it was my luck, a good luck, it was my good time that I seen a vision notification, I think on a on a YouTube. Means I
Ah,
am just reading this book, and I am just searching some topic regarding this book. Then
mm.
eventually, it was my good luck that a vision video just appear in front of me on a YouTube channel.
Oh,
So I yeah, so I go through. I started listening the video, the interview. I think yeah, Devi, you are the only one who are just facing an interview or just giving some motivational videos in this
okay.
in that video, in that particular video. I exactly don't know what the name of that video, but yes, I just I just have gone through those videos, and I started reading all the playlists that you have put it on the Vision Boards channel, and even yeah, then I found that yes, I just have to join that group,
Okay,
and
Aman. Yeah, because thanks for the comment
yeah,
also.
and yeah,
Randomly created that videos, but that videos can impact this much of effect. I'm not thinking so. But this is the first time you
yeah, they
tell me that.
because yeah, because I'm the moment I just seen your video, I was in the stage that my mind was not able to understand what to do.
Mm,
Either I go for data engineering, either I go for a software engineering, even either I go for a data scientist job. There were many courses I planned
many
to take, but
things.
they were very much expensive that I am not able to afford that much of amount to them. And
Mm,
even the I was not able to found a good review from that site. But yes,
mm,
as soon as then I was thinking something like in the evening I got my mind that yes I in the night when I was going to for a sleep again I just seen your video and it was the video that our new batches was starting from Feb onwards.
ah, yes.
Yeah, that at that point I found that, and I don't even wait for a minute or a 2 minutes that to think about it whether I have to join that group or not.
Mm,
I eventually apply for it and I just paid the amount for it because I found that it is very reasonable amount and the way of explaining your motivation, your way of motivating a people really appreciate me that I just have to go for data engineering.
thanks, Aman. Thank you so much for the because when
Yeah,
people are telling this one, it will be like a great motivation for me also creating content.
even Devi, when I joined the batch, I just only know that no, I can say that there is no a part of a career. Data engineering is something. I
Mm,
know that what I exactly don't know what exactly a data engineering. But I
exactly.
know that a data engineering is something because I was in a condition that I can't become data scientist and I can't even go for a software engineer. So I just need a middle path from where I can start, and I found that data engineering is something which was a middle pathway for me.
Mm,
But yes, as soon as I join your batch and I seen your consistency efforts on me, on all over the teams, and the way you just your efforts and you just means you don't even think about that you are just even I just have seen many courses. There were many guys who were just thinking that they just have received their amount and now they are free from us. They are not even attending our calls. Sometimes they were saying that we are not available for a batch, or they are not even giving us a time because mostly my friends were suffering from this.
mm.
And but eventually it was my good luck that I have an interaction with you because you see that you are from the south and I am from the north, and the trust you just have created is that really it was very appreciated for me, and it was my good luck. I have done some good things that I got interact with you.
Exactly. Thanks, Aman. Thank you so much for the compliment also. Because like an you main thing I will tell you like a team. Actually, when we are starting the community also, Aman was joined in the first time. So me like and in the supporting team, everyone can notice Aman. Aman is joined in the first one. That much of eager or interesting because main part is like we can share our knowledge, but the main thing is in the people hand, like a when how many effort the people will be putting. So that part, like 100% or 200%, you put hard work from your side. That is a result. You are getting this kind of offers in your hand also. So I think, Aman, I need a one more thing. So, what is the real intention, right? When you joined, like we are joined different courses in somewhere around, but when you the like a driving force, like a you need to achieve something. What are the struggles, or how you overcome all these things throughout the journey till you are getting an offer?
Okay. Yeah, Devi, like the starting of my course with you on 21st March, 2nd of March. It was like the 2nd of March. I think I exactly don't know. I know the wording, the wording you just have mentioned in a group. You just have dictate a wording in a group like continuous effort never go in waste.
Mm.
So I just kept that moment, and till now it was my tagline on my table where I'm just studying. And I just give that I'll just focus on this point like a continuous effort never go in waste. Like
Mm.
sometime I got demotivated also. Like I started working on my career as data engineering, and
Exactly.
every I yeah, even you also know that changing a field and starting a career is very much typical for us. And at this was the only moment where mostly guys think that it was not be possible for me. Even there are some guys who practice for 1 month and leave up, and they leave that it was not possible for me. While there around 50% of guys were there that would leave the syllabus or a course in middle of 20%, while there were some 20% guys who just continue their effort, like thinking that let me try once more, maybe I can success. And even after 3 months, 4 months, they find that I have tried or two or three times, but I am not able to solve this problem. So evenly they left in the middle, because
Mm.
mostly courses I found that there was that the team started decreasing, and in the middle they found that there were very much small members working on it. But yes,
Mm.
that was the only stage where we next 5% was the only person who got success. Like I am just saying here regarding me, the way you just motivate me that guys, don't worry, I am with you anytime, I am with you anytime. Just focus on my course, just focus what I am saying. That was the only way motivate me, and even your team, because I am seeing that the member who joined on the day one were all, even they were all available till now
Mm.
in the
Yeah.
team, in that team.
Mm.
So at least there was something in this group which was motivating our team to remain till end.
Okay, great, Aman. Then,
Yeah.
Aman, one more question, one more interesting, because I can see when the like when we are starting or when we are learning, people lose their consistency. That is the reason they are not able to learn achieve their goal. But in your case, the day onwards, you are attending everything and you are learn it very deeply. That's why the certifications also coming in your profiles also, right? That is the biggest achievement actually. That is a plus point also.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. Okay. So let me give you my path from where I started my career, from preparation till interview.
uh,
So actually, I got information in a batch from your side that there was a certification called DP 900 and DP 203.
uh,
So, and even you just tell one line after that, this was the only certificate which helped you to get a, this was the plus point which helped you to get a job opening other than 90%. So I
mm,
started from that day, started planning then how to prepare for data in DP 900. Even I take your help also. Even you guide me as to, I just have called you on the wrong time, and even you just even attend a call, even just guide me that Aman, just go through this and follow that path. And yes, the way I prepare for DP 900 was that like started preparing from your notes, because
okay.
your notes help me to just have your brief introduction what exactly a DP900 is.
Got
Yeah,
it, Aman.
after going through your notes, my mindset, a image was created in my mind exactly what DP900 is. Then I started work. Then you just guide me that I'm gonna go for a Microsoft site and start exploring the notes what they were available on Microsoft site.
Documentation wise, Microsoft, they are given a correct path, right? So that is also really good for understanding a beginner side.
Yeah. So at that moment I started preparing like there was I just the main thing was that I make a paper and pen handmade note on it because
Mm.
I think that reading on a laptop is like if you are reading from one side of the ear then just throwing it out from the another ear.
Uh,
So then I plan. So then I ask you that day I am just facing this problem that I am just reading on a day one and just forget that note points on second day. Then you just guide me that I am just prepare a handmade notes and start learn repeating that notes on daily basis so that you can that will help you for preparing.
mm,
So I just follow that path you just have asked me to follow.
mm.
And yeah, definitely it has helped me to score around 903 points in DP, 903 out of marks out of 1000 in DP 900.
Okay, okay. That is really nice actually.
Yeah, yeah. Then, so the main was that like if there was a topic like ADF, Azure Data Factory, in Microsoft Path, Microsoft site, they were mentioned as Azure Data Factory. But yes, I refer many videos, many notes because I started preparing a deep note and plan in such a way that if this topic come in future, I don't have need to prepare again on it. So I
Uh,
start preparing in a deep knowledge.
mm. That
Yeah,
is really nice actually because we need to learn more thing, right, regarding each of the topic when we preparing our own notes. So we will be deep on that particular topic. That will be become expert on everyone, right? That is the one plus point actually you do it from your
yeah,
side.
because what I was lacking was that I'm just reading from a already ready-made, not from you can say that any of a particular site from internet or Google. But
Uh,
yet I found that those language was very typical and even I can't able to understand it. Then what I did is that I go through videos on YouTube and prepare the notes in my own language that in
exactly.
which I can understand those topics.
That will give you more idea, right? When we are deep on the research, we are doing the thing that is the best thing everyone need to be do. Researching from our side also, checking with these thing and write the note and keep it up throughout the journey. Then the technology will coming and know we need to be add more things in our note, right? I also maintaining some kind of notes in my hand. That will be helpful
Yeah,
for future also.
yeah, and yes, really, it has definitely helped me till now. Like I regularly, continuously repeating those notes on even in the morning or even the night, as depend upon my time occupancy.
Mm.
As soon as I got a little bit time, I start repeating those notes so that it just for my revision purpose only. And
Oh,
even yeah, later after DP 900, you just asked me to Aman go for DP 203 now.
not yeah, yes.
And yes, yes, your motivation is the only power. I don't know what power I came from internet. You just ask me, Aman, you just give me, yes, Aman, you can definitely do it. Because I am thinking that
Motivation I can do from my side, but full credit I'm just given to your consistency because when I can do or I can help the people, but like when the people are following the path, complete trust, at least someone, right? So then at least
exactly,
believe.
Gary, because you just think that it is not possible since last 5 years, then why is it possible in just interacting with you in within a 2 months? Which was
That
not possible for me, which was not possible for me since last 5 years and was already got success in it just after interacting in this group within a 2 months.
that is like a power actually, like a community we have, right? So sometime good people or good community will help you like in enhancing our goal. So that is the one more important. That's why we need to be like a strong community throughout our journey, like a strong people vibrations throughout our journey, so that will lead to our goals will be success. So I think in next week or like in next few months also, maybe you will get a higher offer letters in your hand. That is the power you already acquired. When we are sharing or when we are trying to help others, that will increase. That is the
Yeah,
one
exactly.
abundance is coming to our life also.
Yeah. That so I just when I passed my DP 203, I got around 902 marks in it,
That is so
DP
really very
203.
very
So this was my second step to my success, which motivate me like Aman, if you can do it, do this, then you can also do this.
exactly.
So yeah,
It was
now the third phase of my career toward in data engineering was that like you just asked me, Aman, now start preparing for the for interview.
mm, mm, mm.
So yeah, after DP 203, we just have a interaction with one to one call with you, and I think I definitely know you just have spent around 45 minutes from your occupancy from your precious time, and you just have spent 45 minutes from that time to me, and you just explain me, and you just motivate me. Aman, now start prepare for interview.
Because
Yeah,
interview is the one of the
this
thing, right? You
yeah,
already
very
prepared something. It will be really nice actually.
yeah, yeah, no, yeah, and yes, I know that this was one of my, I say that one of my crucial part of my life, which changes my life till now, what I'm getting till now. And yes, and the like I am just a engine which was running on a track, and definitely I know that if a engine is running, he also need a fuel to run on a track, and I definitely appreciate you, Devi, that you are the only fuel which help my engine to run. I
Thank you so
definitely
much for these kind of words. It will be
yeah, yeah,
really
and even I can dictate it. I can prove it the way you are just a fuel for my engine is like that. The way of your motivation, the way you just having one-to-one interaction, and the way internal energy was coming from my side. Yes, I can definitely do it because
mm,
I was planning like that. Devi, I am planning. I think I just have a call with you, and I have just asked you, Devi. I am facing this problem like. I am not able to apply for a job because I am not well prepared. I have not yet applied for a job because I am not yet prepared for it. So the moment you just ask me to Aman just start giving interview.
yes.
So you
That's
just ask me to,
the right.
yeah,
That I
yeah,
think just
and I definitely know, Devi, that I even don't know how to prepare a resume for a data engineering profile. And I
mm,
even asked you to do, Devi, please send me some resume format so that I can prepare a resume. Even I don't know what skills to mention in data engineering profile.
mm.
Yeah,
Exactly.
and you just have send me some resumes, and I go through those resumes, and I found that yes, I can. Then I
Oh,
prepare a resume, and then again I just have interaction with you, Devi. I am on the second stage now. I just prepare a resume. What should I do now? Then you
mm,
ask me, I mean, just face some interviews in local areas and have some whatsoever company it is. Just give an interview, but I definitely have interact with daily. How can I face an interview? What question, how to reply for that their answer? And you help me that, Aman, if they are asking questions like this, you just give a reply in this way.
mm,
Even I know that I am just losing a confidence because I started getting a bad luck or negative response from many companies, many organizations. Even I just have attended 6 to 7 interviews, but
okay.
yes, after having every interview, I just have a interaction with you, Devi. I am facing this problem, and you definitely say that Aman, go for it. Definitely, you got a success. And yes, Devi, the point I just learned from those interviews was that I started writing those questions as soon as the interview is over, and I started preparing on it again. And even the positive feedback from attending an interview was that attract me was that I came to know that where I was standing in the interview, what else I need to prepare for. Even
Exactly.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I came to know that what I am preparing at which level I was in the competition.
Mm.
And yes, after that, I started preparing what I am like the question that interviewer was asking me. And if I am not able to reply to them, then I started preparing those topics again and I start giving interview for the next day. Even I schedule interview daily, I just have a 2 or 3 interview for 1 week. And
Mm.
definitely I just have interaction. You daily ask me, Aman, how was the interview? Is there any interview schedule for me, for you? Yeah, you are definitely asking.
Exactly,
But
because
yes,
that the one case, right? Internal things we need to be how we study. The preparation is the best thing we can do, like an achieving the goal. You are the best example. I think when you seeing the people can see the podcast also, right? They can understand this is the way actually, because we need anyone can move into the Azure data engineering, but they need at least some consistency, keep their own consistency throughout the lectures, and some internal research also we need to do, prepare their own note, at least 2 3 hours we need to spend for our self growth. So that is
yeah,
happening same, Aman, in your case also, right?
yeah, Devi, this was definitely the point that you have to put some efforts on it. Because Devi, I just focus on a point that every guy has 24 hours in a day for them to utilize the 24 hours. But yes, if you want to do something different from those, like there were 95% guys who were just getting success and 5% was not getting success. So we
uh,
just have to do something different that 95% guys were doing. And this was the only way that if suppose those guys were spending 1 hour for their studies, then we need to spend 3 hours on studies to get out of that 95% competition.
exactly. Yeah.
And this was the point like, yeah, let me tell you schedule like I wake up early morning, 4 o'clock, and I before going to my office, I just study for 2 hours
Mm.
before going to office. I just preparing like I just repeat my notes. And even after reaching the office, I found that the management level was not yet come. So I
Mm.
started working on my coding part there because we just have a laptop there. I started working on coding part there till
Oh,
the management level has not yet come.
oh.
And even for last 3 months, I don't have any interaction with my friend circle, even my outing, even I just have forgot everything.
Next.
Even
That is the reason. That is the fully you prepared in the silent phase. You go, you get the path, you follow that one consistently. Things are coming. You are the absolute example how to achieving with the 3 months of time. That is enough for transition, making the transition.
yeah, baby, because I know that we will demotivate many times that छोड़ो यार नहीं हो रहा है क्या कर जो है वही ठीक है सॉरी आई एम जस्ट स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी सॉरी वेरी मच सॉरी
No, no worries.
because these
That is
were the
also
mainly
happen.
words. Yeah, because like we can't do it, left it, yeah, छोड़ो, we can't do it. But yes,
Mm.
if you just, this was the peak point, and if you cross, and if you just heard the voice from your heart, and your heart was saying, no, man, you can do it. That was the only point where you go move toward your success.
Exactly.
Like,
Some point, some sentence or something always hit in our mind. So whatever, if we have a strong desire, we can able to achieve anything. So that is the need. Like in the community also we need like kind of persons or people around us to building, or like throughout the life in the IT also we need these kind of things, right? It will be very important
yeah,
part of our
yeah, because once I just met some senior guys around 60 years age guys who are working in IT sector, and he just gave me a one word that if you are coming in this field, you just have to read regularly till you leave.
mm,
Yeah, he says that you just have to go on prepare what coming in market till you leave in this field. So
mm,
that point I started from that. I just heard that voice and just yes,
mm.
definitely I got a success. And I definitely repeat your words again and again, like continuous efforts never go in waste. And yeah, definitely these were the motivation words which helped me.
Okay, okay, great, Aman. Yeah, I think it's like a very grateful conversation. I think we can share some insight. It's like a very amazing podcast. Also, maybe people will get lot of inspiration from you, Aman. Maybe in the like and after we are getting more offer letters, right? So we need to be given a one more level of podcast to them. Actually, this is the path. Actually, we need to prove them. This is the one thing we can do throughout the consistency and things. So I think thanks for your time. Thank you so much. So I think we can expect more input from your side in the next 1 to 2 months of time. So prepared.
Yeah, yeah, sure, Devi. And I really appreciate, thank you for my bottom of my heart that you are the only guide. Definitely, I am again repeating that word. You are the fuel for my engine to move forward. That's all.
Thank you, Aman. Thank you so much for the words also. This is motivate me also in even though in my tough situation.
Yeah, and yeah, Devi, you are just, I know you are just living in a south, and I definitely came to you after getting a success. I will come to you, and even I just in just to give a gift of that because you are the only guys who changed my life, and I am only here with your help only.
Thank you, Aman. So I think we can you need to be give more Buddhishna to me in the coming 1 to 2 months. Okay. So I'm
Yeah,
expect
yeah,
I have a lot of expectation in you. Community members also you have a lot of expectation. So
yeah, Devi, yeah, Devi.
you need to be proof anyone can because every day I'm getting lot of queries and all. I'm coming from mainframe. I'm coming from this one testing background. I'm completely lost myself. We need to prove them anything is possible. To who have their own commitment, at least beliefs on the system or like a path, anyone can do these kind of achievement. We need to prove and we need to show them, Aman.
Yeah, sure, Devi, because you should- or you show that like I think that I am basically from non-IT background, and now I am just on a phase of second phase of my background,
Exactly.
which I have not yet expected that I'll go till here. Because I am on the stage that before interacting with you that Aman, not possible for you. What can I do? How can future be secure for me? And now I am very much thankful for you, Devi. Thank you. And I know that I am very much confident that even after completing this batch, you will definitely help us in any point of view if I need it. And yes, I am definitely preparing what I not say a word for you that you are just a mentor for me.
Yeah, sure, Aman. Thank you so much. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you so much for the time, and we can connect again, Aman.
Yeah, sure, Devi. Thank you so much. And I definitely say, guys, if you need any type of help from my side, and if you any type of help, it either should be a personal, either should be a educational, or even should be a preparation, I'll be always available for you, always for you. Thank you so much.
Definitely. Yeah.